Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Ososik, and today I'm going to be showing you how to start your brand new Honda Talon. So first things first, you need your Talon key. You have to have the key. And what you do is put the key in to the ignition, and it actually has two positions. So the first position is actually the accessory mode. So that'll just turn on like the lights. It's similar to a car where it turns on like the radio, things like that. So if you do that, you hear the fuel pump turn on, everything kind of just gets ready to turn on. And to fully start it, what you'll want to do is you'll just hold it to the second position, to the starting position, and you'll hear the engine turn over, and then once it's actually fully on, you can let go. Before you do turn it on, you do want to make sure that the gear is in park, and to turn it over, you just turn it and listen for it to turn on. That's it. So there you go, it's idling fine, the Talon is in park. Now you'll just close the door, put your safety gear on, put your seatbelts on, and enjoy your ride. And to turn it off, you just turn the key to the off position, and it's actually a little O or a circle. And don't forget to take your key out. So there it is. That's how you turn on your brand new Honda Talon. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's just a short video, but please be sure to subscribe because I am going to be coming out with a bunch of how-to videos on even just the basics of the Honda Talon. So if you guys like to see any videos, leave it in the comments below. Leave your suggestions. Love to hear your feedback. Be sure to subscribe and turn the little notification button on. That way you get notified anytime I come out with a new video. So once again, thank you guys for watching. Remember, life's so sick. Live it.